how to manage the notifications and alert settings for your Microsoft Teams account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can manage the notifications and alert settings for your Microsoft Teams account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go towards this particular three dots icon over the top right corner. This stands for settings and more. So once you click onto this, you will see the settings option right here, or alternatively you may also choose to press the control and the comma button as well. Now once you're inside the settings option, you can click onto this notification and activity, and from here you will find all of the notification and activity related settings. Like you can mute all notifications, you can control the sound settings, the display settings, and also you can have different options like for the chat notifications and meeting notifications and activities as well. So you can go through these and tune the settings according to your specific needs. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.